Hello guys, so if you're looking to drop a pin or create a new pin on Google Maps, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. So today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is simply open the application and go to any location where you want to drop a pin, and after you reach that place, just simply zoom into that very location. Then just simply hold on to your screen on that place, then a pin will appear. So after that, if you want to again change the location, scroll away, click on that place and the pin will appear. And if you want to make the pin disappear, just simply click on anywhere on the screen and the pin will disappear. Now after choosing a pin, over here you will have few options. The first option is just simply start a direction and you will reach the location by walking, car or bike or a cycle. So first option is directions. So after clicking on that, you will find a perfect route to that particular pin that you just created. And the second option is start. That is also the same thing. So after that is save. So if you want to save the pin, you can click on save, add it as your favorite, way to go, travel plan or etc. You can also add new list if you want to by click on new list and add your own list, and then in the end just simply hit done at the top right to add as a save. You can also share the pin by clicking on the share icon over here and sending to anyone through email or through chat or telegram or WhatsApp, Facebook and etc. You can also copy the link and share it through message or text or anything like that, and in the end comes label. So if you want to name that particular place, you can click on that and enter a place. You can also add suggestions, which is down below, which is work, school, university, gym, etc. You can add your personal label as well by clicking over here, which is enter a custom name, and let's say test. Then just simply hit save. You will also have more additional options over here, which is the probable name of the destination, the meter distance, the longitude and latitude. You can also report the particular place. You can also add a missing place, or you can add your own business if you have a business on that particular spot. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.